This part will be created with the help of metal casting manufacturing process, and once the casting is created we will have to do machining to achieve the final result. So to show the machining process, I have created two combined states. Here there are 4 holes which are threaded, and here one hole which is a counter bore hole. So to show those hole creation and their definitions, I will have to create a note. That's why I will create a note which is a leader note, and that would be on custom annotation plane by referring to this hole placement point 1, and this note would be like this. And then the text editor that will show us the note, and now the note will come into a box like this. Then I will create a similar note on flat to screen orientation. And then there would be another note besides this, and that will be a note from file like this. So now this second note, this will show this details of the hole created over here, and then just for this first note I will add the leaders to the remaining points. Now similar note I want to create for the other counter bore. So again here first I will set the right orientation, then a note with leader which is again with the same syntax. Then again flat to screen and unattached note with same syntax. And for this time I will place second note from file. So the notes would be indicated over here with the help of only a digit, that is a note number, and then the explanation about that note would be in this flat to screen note for both the combined states. So hope this topic is clear. Thank you.